थोड़ी दूर है ना फ्रेम के लिए।
बहुत दूर।
अरे वाह।
लोग हैं
I'm finally on stage. Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So nice to see you face to face. My name is Rohini Ramnathan, and what do I say? I saw a beautiful sunset here today, and I just want to welcome all my friends from the audience. आप में से कितने लोग डरे हैं अंदर आते हुए? सच सच अपना हाथ उठा लीजिए प्लीज मेरे लिए. आपने तो अब तक ट्रेलर भी नहीं देखा और आप डर गए. Were you the one that screamed really loud? No, you were not the one. You seemed like the one who screamed really loud. What happened there? You walked in and you didn't know that there was a live human being, and then they touched you, or they just changed position, or they came towards you. Okay. How are you feeling now, ma'am? Are you all right? You got some water? Don't worry. The Prime Video team will take care of you, all right? Okay? But thanks. You know, this is kind of nice. Tonight's going to be very interesting, simply because Prime Video is bringing to us an evening full of stories, and what better company than the guys who are going to join us on stage. It is the season of trick or treat, as you might know, and it's a great time to actually snuggle up with some popcorn, a warm blanket, and get some spooks and shivers, all right? So we're going to do that in just a little bit, but I want to give you a warning. I don't know if how many of you already know when Halloween is, but Halloween usually happens the end of October. And as a friend of yours, I have a piece of advice today, and that piece of advice is, if you see a box that you don't know the contents of, please do not open it. Okay? हमें as media people आजकल आदत हो गई है ना, चीजें आती हैं घर पे, लीजिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपने इंटरव्यू किया, इस बार नहीं. Okay? Please do not, all right? And I'll explain why I say that in just a little bit. Also, I want to ask you honestly, I love your hair, by the way, you in the white, because you and I have the same hair today. This is amazing, awesome. Tell me, do you know how to pronounce the name of this film? आप ट्राई कर रहे थे. क्या ट्राई करना चाहेंगे? कीजिए, मैंने भी किया आज दोपहर को. Die book, how interesting. Anybody else has a different pronunciation, guys? You know, because nice, very good. आप कह रहे हैं D-book. Sir, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? Yes? Die book, interesting. D-book. Okay, you know what? There is nobody better than the gentleman I'm going to call on stage to tell us the right pronunciation of this. So please, join your hands, okay? Put your hands together and help me welcome JK, the writer and director, D-book, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, Jay. Could I please have you on stage? Yes, it'll be nice to get some claps, some cheers, some energy. Yes, thank you. This is amazing. Look at that moon. It's gorgeous. Hi, Jay. What a stylish man. I love it. Sugamano, Jay. Sugamano. Sugamano. See, because we're from the south, we have this lovely, feeling for each other. Okay. I want to ask you the first question. We tried and, pronounced it right. I hope I'm pronouncing it right again. It's D-book. Is that correct?
Right, D-book.
Okay. Can we all say it together? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Dibuk. Fantastic. Now you've got to tell us the mythology and the legend behind a Dibuk tonight.
First of all, good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming here today. Well, Dibuk means it's basically a Hebrew word. Hebrew is the official language of Jews worldwide. It means disembodied spirit of a person, of a dead person. It's a malevolent spirit which is gonna possess a living being. And once it possesses a living being, it's gonna create a havoc in that person's life. So
Wow.
it's a very evil spirit. That is
Okay.
Dibuk.
The good thing is that we have bright lights here, right? So there's no Dibuks right now, at least. Ladies and gentlemen, having said that, please put your hands together once again to welcome the right-hand director of Dibuk on stage right now. Would be lovely to get some energy going, please. And as soon as you do that, can we actually have the trailer, please? Could you play it for us? We're just going to walk off.
You know how it is, father. Miscarriage handle करना इतना आसान नहीं है. भाई तुम्हें ये
Oh man, oh man. What did you guys think? Genuinely tell me. Kamal tha na? That was just amazing. How many of you really got scared at this point? There were some of you saying, okay, I saw you, okay, and I saw you, and I'm so glad that at least you're right here in front of people, with people, experiencing the chills right now. Guys, I want to give you a couple of details about the film so that it'll enable your Q&A later. The first thing that I do want to tell you is that JK, who you just met some time ago when he came on stage, he's also directed the same, you know, the original rather, okay, in Malayalam, and it's called Ezra, okay? So that might help you, okay? Also, this is going to be Imran's digital debut, which is going to be pretty amazing. So that's something that we want to ask him about. And outside of that, a couple of firsts that we want to talk about is also that the fact that you guys are here today, this is my first public event after 2 years of COVID. So this feels really surreal to be talking to you eye to eye. This feels really damn good, right? But I also do want to tell you, sorry? Welcome back. Thank you. Thank you for that. Also, jointly produced by T-Series and Panorama Studios, the movie features brilliant actors like Nikita Datta, who I loved in The Big Bull, if you might remember her from that. Man of Call, Imaduddin Shah, Denzel Smith, okay, words, names that you want to know if you saw them in the trailer. Anil George, Vijay Anand, Gaurav Sharma, and Yuri Suri in pivotal roles. Dibuk, okay, will premiere in India and across 240 countries and territories worldwide on Prime Video from the 29th of October, 2021. Please keep that date in mind, all right? There was a little warning that I issued when I came on stage some time ago. I said, this is the season of trick or treat. And अक्सर लोग आपको trick करते हैं, आपको gifts भेजकर. मैंने बोला ना, कुछ मिले आपको तो उसे खोलना मत. क्या खोलना नहीं है हमें? कोई भी box, all right? Having said that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to try and test ourselves, okay? Are you guys ready to actually meet the Dibuk? Okay? Hang on to your seats. Could we have the Dibuk, please? All right. Please don't bring it anywhere close to me. Please, I don't want to be anywhere next to it. Yeah, thank you. Please be very careful. Okay, thank you. Oh God. Oh my God. Okay, okay. So that is a Dibuk. Should we be opening it? Trailer देखा आपने ना बोलिए. All right, ladies and gentlemen, to of course give me a little bit of bravado, to give me a little bit of himmat, I'm going to request a couple of wonderful people to join me on the stage at this point. Sabse pehle, he's not just the producer of the film, he's also a man behind a legacy of cinema. All right, ladies and gentlemen, he's given us kamal ki filmein, jaise ki Omkara ho, Special 26 ho, Drishyam ho, Gas in London ho, ya Raid ho. Please put your hands together for Mr. Kumar Mangat Pathak. Please, thank you, warm welcome. Thank you, sir. Please join us. Thank you. Please do just stand next to this box, but we can't open it. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, the second gentleman that I'm going to invite on stage needs no introduction. Actor par excellence and Bollywood favorite star in this genre. He's received wide critical recognition for portraying unconventional characters in several commercially successful films. Brandon himself, ladies and gentlemen, and one of my favorites. Please put your hands together for Imran Hashmi, please. Thank you. Yeah, all that love. Thank you, Imran. Please, please. You stand next to that box. I'm not going to do that, okay? You stand closer to it. Thank you. You're very brave. All right. Let's, up next, the actress, as I said, who wooed us on television through her excellent performances and now is winning hearts in Bollywood with her recent performance in The Big Bull that was applauded by one and all. Please put your hands together for the wonderful and stunning Nikita Datta, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, Nikita. Could you please join us on the stage? You look fabulous. You were fabulous on the trailer. Hi. I liked how we got color-coded today because we said, you know, the set's going to look like this. Nice, nice. She's my girl. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcoming back on the stage, JK, writer and director, Dibuk. Please put your hands together and welcome him once again. Thank you. Thank you. Please, please, please. On this side. This is a request. देखिए मैं इस बॉक्स के पास बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही लेकिन आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है और my friends photographers especially from the press you'd like to come ahead take your shots at this point. This is our photo moment, yeah? So I'm going to request our guests on the stage kindly and keenly stick around the box. Please don't open the box, all right? Okay, you could look scared, you could look brave, you could do whatever you want with that box, but yes, do give our friends from the media a couple of great shots so that they can publish it in their publications tomorrow morning. All right, this is great. If you'd like requests for only, you know, a couple of the stars to stay back next to the box, please let us know and we'll do that for you as well, all right? Any requests for solos or just the cast? Yes? Nikita, would you please step forward? Thank you. देखिए, देखिए. देखिए is nicer. Okay, Imran, would you kindly step forward? Thank you. Could I also get Nikita to come join Imran back? Thank you so much. All right, that's lovely. All good? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That was, of course, our photo opportunity. Imran, I want to check with you that we should not be opening this box. I'm going to send it back. Is that okay? I'll send it back, right?
I'll get withdrawals.
No, we can't. Please, please, I'm a bit scared. Can I send it back? Okay, great. Could you please take the book away, please? Thank you. Sorry, I'm a bit of a darpoke and, you know, at least Imran knows that. I came out clean, Nikita. And I believe you're also somebody who shares this sentiment. Yes, yes. All right, as we get the chair set up, I'm going to take that one. Kumarji and Jay to also take a chair. All right, that's great. Thank you. Sir, please. Thank you. What a gentleman. Thank you. Yeah, we've been living in the shadows, yeah. All good? Okay. Yeah, this is a bit hot. Jay, I'm going to start with you, all right? I just told them that you've already had fun when you directed Ezra, right? So you're doing this again. So here's my question to you. What is the fun in spooking audiences, yeah? Because anybody who saw that trailer, their heart stopped for a moment. So tell us, is it something that you get great pleasure in when you actually spook or scare an audience member?
Well, I don't know whether I'm getting the fun, but it gives me a kick when you play with someone's mind, when it comes to films, not in real.
Correct,
So,
correct, correct.
to give the unexpected. So that gives a, you know, so I wouldn't say fun, but it's
You know, they
how
say
it
that
is.
sadistic,
Sadistic, yeah.
sadistic
Yeah.
pleasure. No, it's also, they say that if you truly know that you're a good director when you pull off, you know, this genre. So I must say that that's a big ask. Huh? So
When you have a great team with you and a set of actors and a producer backing you, I think,
it gets easy.
yeah.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for that. Imran, this is my question for you. I mean, you're the king of this genre. You enjoy this genre. You are the one who's very sadistic about this because you think, I don't know what it is. He actually enjoys himself. Like, मैं हमेशा इनसे मिलती हूँ और मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है मुझे कहता है और डराऊंगा रुक जाओ. So it's wonderful. But tell me something. This sort of experience, do you believe in this? Has it ever happened to you in real life, or is it something that is only in the movies?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, like she said, it's very surreal to be here post-COVID, but very nice to be again here with all of you in this wonderful press conference. ऐसी ही बननी चाहिए फिल्में और ऐसी ही press conferences होनी चाहिए. 2 साल का withdrawal था, but thankfully we are back. So this is a very special evening. I think इतने horror films बना के ना मैं I've started seeing things now. So I think I've become a believer. And Jay has also made me a believer.
Really?
But आप ये पूछ रही हैं कि भूतों को लेकर मुझे विश्वास है कि
जी
नहीं?
हाँ.
नहीं होता तो ऐसी फिल्में नहीं बनाता मैं. I would say I'm a bit 50-50. I'm not arrogant enough to
Yeah.
say that ghosts don't exist because I don't know. It's the age-old thing that if you've not seen it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. I hope they exist for the sake of my films. So I'm kind of torn. I'm a little skeptical. At the same time, I want to be a believer. But till then, till we find out if ghosts exist, we'll enjoy
Yeah.
films like The Book. You can enjoy ghosts in your living room.
Ghosts in our living room. That's quite the tagline, isn't it? It's quite a cool one, especially because we're going to watch this in the comfort of our homes. All right, I'm going to pass this on to the lovely Nikita. Nikita, let me tell this to you. Today, when I was speaking to Imran in the afternoon for an interview, he said, you know, you should meet Nikita because I confessed to him. I said, I have never watched a horror film in my life. सबसे बड़ी डरपोक मैं हूँ और मुझसे नहीं. And he said, immediately said, but you should meet Nikita. How does somebody actually have that mental makeup to go in and say, I want to do a film like this? Please explain to me, how did you do this?
You know, honestly, I completely relate to you when you say that you get very scared of watching horror films because I have been exactly the same. But contrary to what a lot of people might think, doing a horror film doesn't scare you that much.
Okay.
Yeah, so even while I was shooting for it, I never got scared on sets for real. It was only post-shooting when it kind of kicks in. And Jaisar and Imran kind of made sure that even if I was doing fine, they used to make sure that they tell me some spooky things that are happening around. So I do get scared when I go back to the hotel after we used to shoot. So
Okay.
yeah, so at least the shooting part was not a stress. And also this film, I think, has made me a little brave than what I was before. Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. Also, thanks, Imran. Like, thanks for doing that. Yeah, spooking us on the way home. Okay, this is kind of crazy. You know, I'm going to take this, the next question to Mr. Kumar Mangat Pathak. I've already said this. Yahan par, I think I am your biggest fan simply because you've enabled the making of such great cinema. So, I want to ask you, कि ये जो film है, इसके साथ, ये genre के साथ, आपको क्या लगता है कि audiences कैसे react करेंगी? Because you have a pulse, you know, कि audience क्या चाहती है?
जो पब्लिक है उसको डरने में और डराने में बहुत मज़ा आता है.
जी हाँ.
ये हम लोग बचपन से फिल्में देखते आए हैं और मैं हॉरर फिल्मों का बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ैन रहा हूँ. पहले भी मैंने बनाई है. ये बहुत ही अलग फिल्म है और मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ में मैं अपना घोष से एवरी डे कहीं ना कहीं पाला पड़ता है. सच है, ये सच है.
नहीं नहीं आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते और छोड़ सकते थोड़ा और बताइए.
सच है.
ओके
मैं जिस बिल्डिंग में रहता हूँ टावर है.
ओके
मैं 4th फ्लोर पे रहता हूँ. अचानक रात को 2 और 4 के बीच में ऐसा लगता है कोई ऊपर दौड़ रहा है, बेड चेंज कर रहा है, बच्चे खेल रहे. तो एक दिन मेरी वाइफ ऊपर वाले फ्लोरों के पास गई कि आपके बच्चे रात को क्यों खेलते हैं? तो बोले हम तो 4th फ्लोर पे 5 पे रहते हैं, उसके ऊपर वाले में रहते हैं, खाली है फ्लोर। लेकिन बोले हमारे ऊपर कोई है। धीरे धीरे पता लग रहा है कि बिल्डिंग में 8-10 जगह ऐसे रात को कोई दौड़ता है। अभी हम लोग एंजॉय करते हैं, अगर रात को कोई दौड़े नींद नहीं आती है।
सर एग्जैक्ट एड्रेस बताएंगे?
दुगल टावर।
Oh my God, he's actually told us. Okay, I'm never going to
नहीं,
buy a house there.
This is
that's
true,
for
this
sure.
is- this is
Oh
true.
my God, oh
This is
my
true.
God.
I'm definitely not sleeping tonight.
Thank you.
दिस इज ट्रू। इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे किस्से हुए हैं जो मैं अभी नहीं बताना चाहता।
Sir, please
काफी
मत
लोग डर
बताइए।
जाएंगे, बट अनबिलीवेबल।
That's amazing. That's
But-
amazing.
अभी हमको मजा आता है। अगर रात को 3-4